blessed Father's Day.
And that you guys are safe during lockdown.
Bless you and all of your family.
Love from the Toilet Epa family.
Happy Father's Day to all the father figures out there. We are so lucky to have you in our lives. And so we thank you for being great pillars in our family and church. We love you all.
Happy Father's Day, Papa! Thank you for spoiling us and caring for us and buying lots of things that we want. And I just want to say Happy Father's Day. Hope you get spoiled today. And I love you so much. And may God bless you. Hi, Papa. Happy Father's Day. I hope you get spoiled today, and I hope God watches you while you go through this special day for you. And a happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the shore. And happy Father's Day to Uncle Marabai, and love you, and happy Father's Day to whoever father. Love you, Papa. Bye.